guys, Marsh Animal, and I'm doing a video. And I got this diamond code, and I'm gonna see if it works. So it's capital A C 3X. Oh, I was holding caps. Oopsies. That's not correct. Okay. A C 3X. Okay, let's hope it works. And it's supposed to give you diamonds. Oops, look like, oh. Okay, let's try one more. Okay. Well, maybe not one more. I have three of them. The first one, now I'm doing the second. Ooh, please work, please work. Oh! Let's see, I have one last one. Let's hope this works. Okay. I feel like this is gonna work, and I hope it does. Oh, and I have some awesome news. Okay, it didn't work. I have some awesome news. So, I got a channel art. Like, I've always had those trees, but they're so ugly. But I really got to customize mine. So I'm really happy. I'll show you it. But let's just get on Animal Jam first. Okay, spinny, spinny, spin. Hey. Cool that said you were supposed to get, you got a diamond every Sunday. And it's Sunday, and I didn't get my diamond. So now I'm mad. Okay, so, she said that you, like, a way you got diamonds was if you, turn me up, if you, oh, what is it? Oh yeah, is if you, what is it? What was it? I forgot. Oh yeah, if you like don't get on Animal Jam for a long time, then, you get diamonds, and she said that was the wrong information. You get a diamond every single Sunday. So today's Sunday, and I ain't getting no diamond. So yeah. I'm trying to save it for an otter. Some of you might know that, some of you might not. But here, let me show you my channel art. Hold on. No. Oh, have you guys seen the Sky High? I did a video on crazy awesome epic updates, and this was all it. Kunzar, she bought this, and she thought you had to be a land animal to have this den, so she bought an eagle. So, and then like, you don't have to. When I previewed it, I didn't have to be a land animal. And look, I'm a land animal right now, and I'm at your den. Cause yeah, she bought this gym. So yeah, that's what it is. Hold on, let me show you. Yeah, let me show you my channel art. So, yes, look how many tabs I have. YouTube. Oh yeah, my cap's still on. Oopsie. Okay, YouTube. My channel. See, I got it. Smash your animal. But this is what it looks like for like computers. And then if you look at it on TV, it looks like here, let me just pull it up on my computer. It looks like on okay, yes. So when I pull it up, when you see it on the computer, it looks like this. Videos, Animal Jam, and let me pull it over. Smiles, Happy Trades, and it's not like Happy Trades, yay, Happy Trades. It's like happy, and then I just like pretend there's like a line there, and then trades. Giveaways, which I will start be doing giveaways. Smile Sugar Animal. Smile Sugar Animal was at the top, and then this was under, and then the video this was right there, this was right there, and this was up there. But then it like just showed Happy Trades giveaways, and that didn't look so good, so I put Smile Sugar Animal right there. And so this is what it would look like on the TV. And then I have a little peace sign down here. Can't really see it. Here, let me pause it and move my screen down, like the recording thing down. Okay, I moved it down. So the little peace sign, oh no, a little heart, a little paw, and then a smiley face. And I only put that there to fill in some space. But otherwise I would not have put that. I know I could have just made these bigger and this one bigger, but I didn't want to. And this is like the max they would go, so this is what it looks like. And then I'll show you what it looks like on mobile. Actually, I don't think I can. But this is what it just shows like in the very, like some part of my name, like in the very middle on the mobile, like not a mobile, like a phone. And then the TV, yeah, all, and then this is what it looks like on the real thing. Oh, the S is off. Like, it's there, you can see it, but like, since the screen, I moved it, it's not showing the S. So, let me move it back to its original. Okay, there. But do you know, can you guys comment down below how, like, you make, like, how you make like, oh, here's a good example. I was looking for a good example. Like, she probably, like, put that there, like, made it look like, here, she has a very good example. Oh, please, I'm not pleased, but, like, subscribe to her, because she's really awesome. Her videos are really good. But here, let me find a good one. She had one that's really good. But I won't be able to find it probably. There was somewhere I knew I could look. Okay, no, never mind. Here, let's try it. No, don't play all of them. Oh, great, now I have to do an advertisement. Let's see, can I find it?
I just can't believe they're trying to take away
Okay, so it's not in there. So let's go back to our channel. Oh, of course I want to be in there. That's a music video. Oopsie, whoa, what's happening? Oh no. Why can't I find it? Oh, here we go. See, like, it, oh, I loved her introduction. Here, I'll show you it. Oh, and please tell me how to do that. If you know how to do that, like do that thing at the beginning, which actually I think I know how, so never mind. Wait, actually no I don't. I don't know how to like, how do you like get like the like character like, here, let me make another tab. Okay. Like, look at Lilac Petals. She, like, it looks like she made that. I want to know how to do that. So please, if you're watching this, please comment down below and tell me how to do that. So yeah. Wait, what was this video supposed to be about? Oh well, I don't know. It doesn't matter. So yeah, let's go back to, oh no, I can't find it. Ugh, I have to, oh here it is. So see how Animal Jam Horse Coins Gone Forever. Oh, okay, well, whatever. See this right there, like, how to get the stone sorted. Well, see how, like, they probably, like, it, like, made it, like, to be that and show the smiley faces. How do you do that? And the example I was gonna show, oh, it's on this one, so we can't watch this, but, well, let's, so, will it show again? What did you? No, it's not showing. Okay, how wonderful. Okay. See like how like she probably did like the you got whatever that thing is, and then the like how I want to know how to do that. So if you're watching this and know how, please comment down below and say, oh, you just do blah 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 and blah 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 blah. So yeah, please tell me how to do that. Sorry, this probably gonna be a this video won't get any likes. How to green screen iMovie and Final Cut Pro X. Okay. Savannah Masters commented on your video. I subbed. Oh, thank you. Animal Jam Decorating My Den Part 2. Same person commented on your video. Do you have Animal Jam Recording Den Part 2? Do you have Skype? Do I have Skype? Be quiet. You're so weird. You're so weird. No, you're so weird. Stop it.
Hey guys, Mom Sugar.
No.
Hey guys, Mom Sugar. And today we are going to be decorating my den.
Bye. Oh, please like and subscribe. Sorry, I didn't know it was gonna end. Please like and subscribe and comment down below.